this is absolutely for you. If you're tired of purchasing how-to products that show you how to market and make money online, this is for you. If you want to be able to provide a service to the industry, this is a great product and company to do that. If you're a person who would rather follow a pre-designed set of directions and plug into something that will allow you to see more consistent results, this is for you. Okay? If you want a platform that will show you exactly how to make profits instead of just waste your money on I hope so tactics, this is for you. Let me elaborate for a second. This is going to show you how to profit in an online business, not how to just make money. Anybody can make money and get lucky and bring in cash, okay? What we're interested in doing is actually putting the money that's going to allow you to live a new life, to pay for your kids' college fund, not just spend money and not make enough to pay for that expenditure, okay? It's all about profiting. That's what makes this so unique. So before we get started, what I want to do is talk about some house rules here. What this is not. iPass is not a get-rich-quick anything, all right? I'm not saying that you're going to get rich tomorrow, all right? Do people make a lot of money with iPass? Yes. Does everybody get rich and make a lot of money? No. Okay, I can't guarantee that. So it's not a sit on the couch and do nothing to get paid system. If you're looking for that, you're going to end up looking until you're 2 feet underground. Okay? There's no fake smoke screens, or we're not selling thin air here. We're not trying to give you a pipe dream that's not real. We want you to be obedient to this system, and we're going to help you be successful because of that. Okay? My results and those of others are not typical. So if I tell you how much I've made or so-and-so has made, it doesn't mean that's going to guarantee that you make money. Guarantee anything, guys, because I don't even know if you're going to finish this video series or if you're going to even take advantage of this trial. But I know those of you that do have a very high chance of being quite successful here. So that's what I want to put you all in the position to do. I can't legally guarantee